For more than a decade now, the Kellen Foundation has provided behavioral health services to the Greensboro community.
And now, thanks to a grant from the Community Foundation of Greater Greensboro, Fox 8's Madison Forsey tells us it'll be able to expand even more.
An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, or so the saying goes. And the Kellen Foundation takes that idea and applies it to mental health.
We don't want to wait till families get into crisis to be able to get the help and support that they need. So we're hoping that we can help fill that gap and provide support for community services, really focusing on that prevention and treatment side.
Kelly Graves is the president, CEO, and co-founder of the Kellen Foundation. For the past decade, she's served the Greensboro and Guilford County community, providing mental health resources for those who might not typically have access to them.
The Kellen Foundation Hope Hub extends that reach by providing not only the behavioral health services, but other integrated services under one roof. So now a family that comes in for mental health services can also access other services.
Those services are through other nonprofits that partner with the Kellen Foundation to be able to help people no matter their age or needs.
We do serve families from ages 0 to 110. But we do value a multi-generational approach here with Kellen. And when I say that, I say that to mean that, if one member of our family has a struggle or problem, then it means that the entire family has an issue or problem. And so we want to be here to make sure that we're able to address that need.
Lisa Duck is the foundation's director of strategic partnerships. She says the foundation serves an astonishing 12,000 people, helping them with all sorts of mental health issues from depression and anxiety to substance abuse. Kellen also has other community services available.
Things like access to food pantry and also access to some primary health care will be available on site.
But Kellen volunteer Tara Sandercock says staff have noticed a gap in their coverage for seniors dealing with isolation, which has led them to the development of a new senior center.
The gap in services for older adults is one of the things that really struck me, I guess, not only because I'm an older adult now, but because of my work in the community.
The senior center will be housed at the Kellen Foundation location on Walker Avenue in Greensboro, so everything remains under one roof. That will allow older adults to have access to all the programs and facilities. The senior center will be built with help from the Community Foundation of Greater Greensboro, which donated $500,000, but that grant could go much further.
If we can raise $1 million in match. And so this matching grant allows us to actualize the next phase of our reach, which is to integrate the senior center into the Hope Hub so that we can really provide unique opportunities to address behavioral health for senior and older adult populations.
So the foundation will be raising more money for this matching grant, but if you can't donate, you can still volunteer.
Volunteerism has been something that I've been a part of, I think, for my whole life. And so I encourage members of our community to jump in, pitch in, pick up a paintbrush, jump in today, and I encourage everyone to be a part of our mission.
In Greensboro, Madison Forsey, Fox 8 News.
The Kellen Foundation's Hope Hub is on Walker Avenue in Greensboro. It has a second campus there on 3rd Street as well. You can get more information by going to myfox8.com. Just look in the Fox 8 Spotlight section for Community Foundation. And while you're there, go ahead and bookmark the page.